Today, a giant watermelon begins its incredible journey through the world's most advanced fruit processing factory. First, the watermelon is carefully inspected using advanced scanners and quality control systems. Next, powerful cutting machines divide the giant watermelon into manageable sections. Special machines remove every seed to prepare the fruit for processing. The watermelon is crushed and transformed into pure, fresh juice. Multiple filtration stages ensure perfect purity and quality. The fresh juice is stored in temperature-controlled tanks. Automated filling systems package thousands of bottles every hour. Every bottle is carefully packaged and prepared for shipping. Finished products are loaded and prepared for delivery worldwide. From one giant watermelon to millions of customers around the world.
This is how a giant watermelon becomes a world-class product through technology, teamwork, and innovation.